Feel comfortable. We have completed only half round. Start. Inhale, raise your hands up, stretch up and go back as possible. Exhale, bring your palms to the ground, Padahastam. Inhale, take your left leg behind, Ashu Sanchalan, look up. Right leg also behind, slanting slope. Shashangasana, knees to the ground, buttock on your heels, go down exhaling. Inhale, come forward, exhale and hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, push yourself forward and make a beautiful arch on your lower back, Bhujangasana. Lift your knees from the ground, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, make a mountain shape of your body. Intense stretching on your calf muscles, experience it. Shashangasana again, knees to the ground, buttock on your heels, go down exhaling, forehead to the ground, relax posture. Inhale, quickly bring your right leg forward, look up, look up. Left leg also to the front, both feet together, palms on the ground, knees straight. Inhale, slowly come up, stretch up and go back as back as possible. Slowly complete your round. Gently come back and join your palms with your thumbs touching the heart chakra. The next one full round will be complete, continuous, without a break in between. Feel absolutely comfortable. Fill your mind with full gracefulness and happiness. Smile. Ekam, inhale, stretch up and go back as possible. Dvi, exhale, bring your palms to the ground. Treni, take your right leg behind, Ashu Sanchalan. Chaturare, left leg also behind. Panjam, Shashangasana. Chatam, Ashtanga Namaskar. Saptam, Bhujangasana. Ashtam, Parvatasana. Navam, Shashangasana. Dasham, left leg forward, Ashu Sanchalan. Ekadasham, right leg also to the front. Dvidasham, inhale, slowly come up, stretch up and go back as possible. Dvi, continue. Exhale, bring your palms to the ground. Treni, take your left leg behind, look up. Chaturare, right leg also behind. Panjam, Shashangasana. Saptam, Ashtanga Namaskar. Saptam, Bhujangasana. Ashtam, Parvatasana. Navam, Shashangasana. Dasham, right leg forward. Ekadasham, left leg also to the front. Dvidasham, inhale, slowly come up. Stretch up and go back as possible. Complete your round. Gently bring your hands down, normalize your body, normalize your breathing. Feel comfortable, relax, relax. Best regards to each one of you. Salutations to each one of you for being here. You are all great souls. Slowly raise your hands and breathe ways.
Always keep your face happy and smiling. Normalize your breathing. Take one deep breath. A deeper and longer exhalation. Normalize your breathing. Slow down breathing. Again, after sufficient relaxation, join your feet. So we will continue the sitting posture. Knee down one by one. Catch your toes. Get ready for butterfly asana. Catch your toes and bring your heel as close to your body. And back bone straight, keeping your face as smile as possible, and do butterfly asana. Knee joint touch the ground. Little more faster, faster and faster. Let them touch the knee to the ground. If possible, otherwise no, don't worry at all. Speed up. Little more faster and faster, faster and faster. Butterfly asana. Then very slowly straighten your feet. Left, straighten your left leg. straight on left leg, and right feet over to left thigh. Again, moving your knees downward. Let them touch the knee to the ground, if possible, otherwise don't worry at all. Speed up. Little more fast and faster. Then take your right feet in your hands. You are holding like a baby. When this baby is crying, moving your baby left, right, left, right. Left as back as possible. Left and right. Singing your baby, left, right, left, right. Then kiss your knees, baby, and kiss your toes 2 times. Then very slowly straighten your feet. We'll do same way opposite side. Bend your left knee and keep your left feet over the right thigh. Then moving your knees downward. This all the loosening to help to sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Do it fast. Let them touch your knee to the ground. Keep smiling. Don't forget to smile, please. Then take your left feet in your hands. You are holding like a baby. And move your baby left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Try to keep your backbone always straight. Then kiss your knees. Then kiss your toes. Once again kiss your knees. Kiss your toes. Then straighten your feet. Backbone head on straight. And keep your palms out of thigh, or you can keep your hand side of your body. Then get ready for angle rotation. Push your toe forward, then right, then pulling your toe towards your body, left forward. Make a wider circle. Rotating your angle zone clockwise. Do it 5 rounds clockwise. 4. And 1 more round. 5. Same way reverse rotation, opposite side. Turning your left toe towards the left, then towards your body, then right forward, reverse rotation. Anti-clockwise rotation. Make a big circle. You are making a circle with your toes. Then stop the practice. Remain in same pose. Get ready for anti-arthritic asana. Then concentrate on your toes and pulling your toe maximum towards your body and hold it for 10 seconds. Feel the intense touch on your leg. Back on straight. Very simple posture. Go on, pull it. Pull. Little more pull. Pull. Hold it. Then very slowly release. Then same way pushing your toe forward. Opposite side. Go on pushing. Try to touch your toe to the ground. Hold it for 20 seconds. Feel the intense touch on your leg. Very simple asana. Benefited to slot. Very good for arthritis, good for varicose vein, good for entire leg. People having leg pain, joint pain, particularly they can practice this posture. Anti-arthritic asana. Then very slowly release. Once again pulling your toe maximum towards your body. Once again pull. Pull. Little more pull. Pull. Hold it. Then very slowly release. Same way once again pushing your toe forward. Go on pushing. Keep smiling, please. Always keep your face as smile as possible. Go on pushing, little more. Little more push. Push. And very slowly release. Then keeping your feet apart. Hands at your back head, touching your shoulder. Relax pose. Take one deep breath. A deeper and longer exhalation. Normalize your breath. Again, join your feet. We'll continue. Get ready for Janu Sirsasana. Bend your right knee. Your right sole touching your left inner thigh. Left leg straight. Hands side of your body. Concentrate on your breath. Inhale, raise your hand sideways up. Join your palms to Namaskar Mudra above your head. Now you can keep smile on your face, please. Then turn the palm forward, exhaling along with the exhalation. Bend your body forward and catch your toes and look towards the sky. Look up and feel the stretch on your neck area. Look up. Release your neck. Part 2. Interlock your fingers, slide on up to your heel. Then pushing your toe forward. Then exhale further, bring your forward out to left knee. Elbows on the ground, stay there with normal breathing. We are practicing Janu Sirsasana. Enjoy the posture. Stay there. Then very slowly release your hands. Inhale, come up. Stretch your body up, stretch up. Exhale, lower your hands and come back to sit. Feel the movement. Enjoy the stretch. Then straight on your feet. We'll do same way opposite side. Bend your left knee. Your left side touching your right inner thigh, right leg straight. Hand side of your body again. Then inhale, raise your hand sideways up. Join your palms to Namaskar Mudra above your head. Then turn the palm forward, exhaling along with the exhalation. Bend your body forward and catch your toes and look towards the sky. Look up. Then release your neck. Part to interlock your fingers and slide on up to your heel. Or keep it over your heel, or you can catch your angle. But knee should be straight. Then bend your body forward, exhale further, bring your forehead down to right knee. Stay there with the normal breathing. We are practicing Janu Shirsasana opposite side. Stay there. Then very slowly inhale, come up. Stretch your body up, stretch up. Exhale and bring your hands down and come back to sit. Straight on the left leg. Then get ready for Paschimottanasana, the king of Asanasana sitting. Back bone straight, hand side of your body, concentrate on breathing. Inhale, raise your hand sideways up, join your palms to Namaskar Mudra again, above your head. Then turn the palm forward, exhaling along with the exhalation, bend your body forward and bring your wrist out to your toes, or you can catch your toes and look towards the sky, look up. Then release your neck. Part 2, you can catch your heel from side, then pushing your toe forward, exhale further, bring your forehead out to your knees. One elbows on the ground, stay there with the normal breathing. Your body is folded now. We are practicing Paschimottanasana, the king of Asanasana sitting posture. Stretching your spine, very good for sugar, acidity, gas. Very beneficial posture, multi-beneficial posture. Then very slowly release your hands, bring your wrist over to your toes. Then inhale, come up. Stretch your body up. Then exhale and bring your hands down and come back to sit. Remain in the same posture. Then get ready for the complementary Nafi Darshasana or Purvottasana. Keep your hands back. Then inhale, hold the breath and raise your body up. Start. Inhale, hold the breath, raise your body up. Your complete feet on the ground, flat from the ground. Your toes also touching on the ground. Look your toe through your navel. Nafi Darshasana. Further push your middle part of the body up. Head dropping back. Setu Bandhasana. Look back. Exhale and bring your buttocks towards the ground. Then keeping your feet apart. Hands at your back. Head resting on your shoulder. Relaxed posture. Take one deep breath, deeper and longer exhalation. Then we will do one more posture, Artha Malasyendrasana, anti-diabetic posture, specialized posture for sugar. Join your feet again, bend your right knee, right feet under the left buttocks, then left leg crossing your right knee. Sit very comfortably, very freely. Artha Malasyendrasana, we are practicing. Then concentrate on breathing, inhale, raise your right hands up. Then pushing your left knee with the left hand, push your left knee towards the right. Then bring your right elbow below your left knee. Then catch your knees. This is part 1. After that, you can catch your left ankle or left toe, wherever it is possible. Then turn the body back. And keep your left palms over the right lower hip. Turn as back as possible. Look behind you. We are practicing Artha Malasyendrasana, guaranteed posture for diabetics. Stay there with the normal breathing. And very slowly come back to center by releasing your right hand. Inhale, raise your right hands up. Exhale and bring your hands down. Release your leg. We'll do same way opposite side. Bend your left knee, left feet under your right buttocks. Right leg crossing your left knee. Sit very freely. Then inhale and raise your left hands up. And pushing your right knee with the right hand, push your right knee towards the left and bring your left elbow below your right knee and catch your left knee with the left hand. Then turn the body back and keep your right palms over the left lower hip. Turn as back as possible. We are practicing Artha Malasyendrasana, anti-diabetic posture. Enjoy the posture. Stay there. Then very slowly come back to center by releasing your left hand. Inhale, raise your left hands up. Exhale and bring your hands down. Keeping your feet apart, hands at your back head, touching on your shoulder, relaxed posture. Take one deep breath. Deeper and longer exhalation, normalize your breath. Then get ready for Mayurasana. Join your feet. Bend your knee, join one by one, sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Mayurasana. And stand on your toes. Stand on your toes. Stand on your toes. Your entire body weight on your toe. Then keep your palms reversely placing on the ground. Parallel to your chest, place it on the ground. Then jump and bring your feet back. Elbows tightly folded. This is first Hamsasana. This can practice everybody. This is Hamsasana. Look towards the sky. Then Mayurasana, balancing your body on your abdomen and lift your feet up. Mayurasana. Your entire body weight on your palms. You cannot practice. Then very slowly. Very good. Pranji. Then very slowly come back. Jump and bring your feet forward. Then come on your toes. Then sit in Vajrasana. There is some demonstration, Mayurasana. First part 1, come on your toes. Come on your toes.
Everybody does.
Then keep your palms on the ground, parallel to your chest, reversely placing on the ground. Then part 3, jump and bring your feet back. Jump and bring your feet back. This is called Amsasana. Their palms and toes on the ground, body part to the ground. Then part 2, finally 4, raise your feet up. Come on your palms. Mayurasana, lift your feet up. Feet up, little more. Head also up like a Mayur. Here. We are the old Mayuris. Then very slowly jump and bring your feet forward. Then sit in Vajrasana.
Join your feet together. Palm closer to your body, facing the ground. Inhale, raise your legs 4 inches above the ground and give a wide rotation to your legs. Inhale, right up, exhale, left down. 5 times. Other way around. Inhale, left up, exhale, right down. Complete your round. Rest in Shavasana. Next, we will do cycling. Join your feet. Inhale, raise your legs up to 45 degrees and start forward cycling. Gradually increase the speed. Reverse cycling. Raise your legs up to 90 degrees and forward paddling. Join your feet and forward paddling. Reverse paddling. Complete your round. Rest in Shavasana again. Next, we will do 4 important asanas. Together, join your feet. Inhale, raise your legs up to 4 to 6 inches above the ground. Retain for a few seconds. Raise up to 45 degrees. Retain. Bring up to 90 degrees. Ardha Sarvangasana posture. Retain. The support of your palm on your hip, raise your body up to 180 degrees, retain, try to stay there at least 60 seconds, knees in line with your nose, minimize your body movement. This is very good posture for improving your memory power. The posture is called Purna Sarvangasana. Now slowly take your leg over your head for Halasana. Do according to your capacity. Don't overdo any asana. Try to touch your toes on the ground. This will activate the thyroid. Slowly start coming back, inch by inch, then vertebra by vertebra. Have a smooth landing, rest in Shavasana again. We'll do counter posture for Sarvangasana, Matsyasana, fish posture. Make Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana while lying down. Catch hold of your toes and with the support of your elbows, make a curve on your back. bring your head on its crown. Palms back to your thighs and clockwise rotation to your eyeballs. 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. The support of your palm, release your neck, straighten your legs, rest in Shavasana again. Next, we will do Chakrasana, the wheel posture. Join your feet, bend your legs, keep your feet near your buttock. Palm, take your near your shoulder, fingers pointing outward, and give pressure on your palm and raise your body. Make a half chakra of your body. Slowly start coming back. While coming down, try to touch your shoulder first on the ground, then rest of the body. The end, crown touching the ground. We'll do counter posture for Chakrasana, Tadagasana. Join your feet. Keep your palm 10 inches above your thigh. And inhale, raise your lower and upper part of the body. Catch hold of your big toe. Try to straighten your knees. Make a V shape of your body. Slowly release your toe. Come back. Try to touch your feet and head simultaneously on the ground. Rest in Shavasana again. Next, we will do Markadasana, monkey posture. Arms sideways up to your shoulder level. Bend your legs. Lower part of the body twist towards your left. Both the knee touching the ground. Your left sole touching your right knee. Upper part of the body twist towards your right. Look at your palm, right palm. This posture will reduce your backache. Take your right leg towards your left hand, catch hold of your big toe, straighten your right knee. Your focus remaining to your right palm. Release the toe, come back. Twist lower part of the body towards your right, both the knee touching the ground. Upper part of the body twist towards your left. Look at your left palm. Inhale, raise your left leg, catch hold of your big toe with your right hand, straighten your left knee. Focus remaining to your left palm. Release, come back, straighten your legs, rest in Shavasana again. Next, we will do Utthishtasana. Join your feet, fold your hands on your chest or behind your head. And exhale, fully come and sit. Do not raise your heels off the ground. Inhale, go back.